What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, it is a completely beautiful, um, what is today, guys? Wednesday afternoon here on the East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland, guys. And wow, I'm so super pumped and so super excited, guys. I can tell you that things are just great, okay? Anyway, look, guys, in the next video, guys, I want to talk about a few things because if you're finding this video, guys, for the very first time on YouTube, or for you guys who are on my list, I want to talk a little bit about the fact that we're getting ready to go into the fall season, which is my favorite time of the year. It's a great time to start positioning yourself, guys, for you guys who are looking for ways to, you want to start your own business, or for you guys who are just looking to make a little extra income online, guys. I can tell you that I've been hard at work, okay, and things have really, really picked up, guys. And so tonight, guys, I want to talk a little bit about starting your own business. I want to talk a little bit about making, money online. I know, right, for a fact, guys, that a lot of you guys, you're inundated, man. I mean, if you subscribe to a lot of lists, you probably on thousands of lists, and you're probably getting emails from who knows how many people every day. It's hard to make a decision, right, in terms of what to join, or you're in something and you're looking at something, and then you're thinking about joining something else. I've been there, guys, and I've done it, right? And so I do a lot of videos on YouTube, guys, but it's really a very few things that I do, right? I love putting videos up, and I love teaching and training, and I'm always in this place where I'm trying to hone my actual skill, right? And so I'm doing that, and I'm having a lot of fun, guys. And so what's going to happen, guys, I already shot about 10 videos that you guys have not seen yet, and they're going to start going up pretty soon. And in those videos, guys, I'm going to be talking a lot more about automated marketing systems. I'm going to be talking a lot about traffic. And that's just on the outside, because everything or anything you guys decide to join me in, guys, I'll talk a little bit about it, and I'll invite you guys to get on my list so you can actually see what I'm doing. And the reason I do that, guys, is because I want you guys to understand the process of how I do things. Now, what I do, guys, is I'm a problem solver, right? We talk about that all the time. But I'm an email marketer as well. And as an email marketer, guys, I'm able to promote and market affiliate products and services and almost anything I want to my list as I start to build it. So, I'm always talking about being a problem solver, and that's how you do it. And one of the reasons I invite you guys to get on my list is because you can actually see the process. Now, a lot of you guys are already on a lot of lists, right? And you see the process of email marketing, right? Don't let nobody fool you guys. I don't care what anybody says, right? Email marketing is huge, and it's not going away, guys. It's not going away. You can't even have a Facebook account without an email address, right? I don't care, but I don't care about texting. I don't care about Twitter. I don't care about Instagram. All those are great social platforms, guys. But email is still one of the very most preferred ways for businesses to do business online. I don't care how big or small, guys, because when you have the capability of building out your own list, you can not only create multiple lists, you can, if you wanted to ultimately get into segmenting those lists, guys, you can actually have multiple lists running at one time, guys. And that's what I'm doing, right? I got multiple lists going. And so a lot of times when you talk about starting your own business, though, and you think about starting, trying to make money online, a lot of times, a lot of people, guys, and I'm finding out, they simply can't afford these monthly auto ships. And I understand that. Now, granted, you have to be willing to invest in yourself and in your business, guys. It's no different than having a brick and mortar business if you had one. If you went out here and started your own business, you got to invest in it, right? You got to spend money. Now, the amount of money you would spend for your traditional business opportunity or franchise like McDonald's or Wendy's or Starbucks, it doesn't even come close when you talk about a digital marketing business, right? Digital marketing is hot because you can deliver products instantly. But a lot of times, some of the business opportunities you get involved with, they may have these auto ships where you got to pay like $100 a month or $50 a month, or whatever the case may be. Now, I know everybody can afford that, guys. And so one of the things that I've added to my internet marketing business, right, or one of the things that I've tried to streamline and do is add business opportunities that don't require monthly auto ships. Now, you can get into a lot of these opportunities that I'm talking to you guys about. I mean, literally, guys, for pennies on the dollar. I'm talking about $25, $100. On the higher end for some of you guys, $1,000, $2,500. But I'm just saying, you wouldn't pay that's a fraction of what you would pay if you were trying to start your traditional business, right? So still, a lot of people still can't afford $100 a month, and that's okay. So what you're gonna see, guys, on a lot of the videos that I'm about to upload to YouTube is, if you see me doing it, guys, please believe that it's gonna be something you can afford. The affordability is gonna, most of them now, you're gonna get to see. For instance, that I just finished doing this capture page, right? Because I got a brand new offer that I'm going to be inviting you guys to see. And it's one of those opportunities where you could actually get in right now. uh, the two lower levels are a $25 level and a $100 level, but those are one-time payments. And of course, there are going to be some new levels added. I think a 250, I believe a 500, maybe even 1,000. But the point is, you can take this particular business opportunity or any opportunity that you see me talking about or promoting online, and you can start where you can afford to start, get into profit, and then take your earnings, right, and then simply scale or go to the next level. And that's what I suggest a lot of people do, particularly if you run into problems where it's going to be hard for you to join even the $100 level. But the beauty of it is, you want to start, right, guys? You want to start. I'm going through some information right now, guys, where I'm actually getting ready to start writing off all my business expenses, right, and my taxes. That alone is the number one benefit why you should be starting your own business, right? All right, guys, I'm going to do a video on it. When you find out the things you're going to be able to write off on your taxes, it's going to blow your mind. I'm talking about advertising. I mean, you can go to lunch with your best friend or even your wife and talk about your business, guys, and you can keep your receipts and you can write all this stuff off, right? So that's where I'm headed now, guys. So I'm headed down the tax road because, you can save a mint just in business expenses, right, on your taxes. So I'm going to be talking about those things in my videos. I'm going to be talking about some different types of traffic, and I'm going to be doing a lot of things on my own, because a lot of the business opportunities I'm in, they're great business opportunities, but sometimes people assume that your skill set or your level of experience is more advanced than it is. So I'm going to be breaking things down on my own. I like zigging when everybody else is zagging. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be breaking down the different opportunities in the members area so you guys can really understand. It's easy to join, but how to get set up, okay? Because that's creating problems for people. And that's why we have the Facebook groups, guys. We got a lot of Facebook groups. I don't hang out in the Facebook groups a whole lot because I understand a lot of this stuff. I do go in occasionally, right, and ask a few questions. And I like to invite people or add people to the Facebook groups. But I'm not really big on just hanging around the Facebook groups a lot. But I've been finding out that it's very interesting. You'll be amazed at what you can find out in these Facebook groups. So everything that I do has Facebook groups. We have incredible support with everything that I do. And what I like about it is the fact that I'm able to automate the entire process with everything I do. So I get emails from people all the time. But it's quick. I can answer email no matter where I'm at. Right? I can get a notification from somebody. They got a question. I'm answering some questions for some people right now. I'm doing some things for some people behind the scenes, but it doesn't take a long time. So for you guys who have been, kind of maybe spinning around a little bit, you're looking for a great opportunity in terms of starting your own business. You're looking for a great opportunity in terms of making some extra income online, where most of the hard work has already been done for you, because all I deal with is automated marketing and sales systems and sales funnels. So when we talk about most of it being done for you, if you can take a minute of your time and invest in yourself to get into the actual training and follow, the techniques, the tactics, and the strategies, guys, You know, $500 a week is easy to make, right? $1,000 a week is easy to make, but you have to make sure that you are going to be you're going to have to participate and be a part of the process. Okay, nothing happens magically, but the point is, it's a great time to be an internet marketer, guys. It's a great time to have your own business. It's a great time to start your own business. It's just going to take your imagination to an all new level. It's definitely going to take your earning potential to an all new level. And it's just going to give you ability, guys, to be the best you that you can actually be, okay? You know, when you work for other people, you just don't get the satisfaction that you get out of the same satisfaction, should I say, when you're doing your own thing. I'm telling you guys, it's truly amazing. So anyway, get ready, guys. If you're finding this video, again, if you're looking for a business, you're ready to start your own business, or you're looking to make some extra income online, just a little extra income, I'm going to leave the link to this particular page in the YouTube video description area. I'm going to invite you guys to get over there and watch what it is that I always say this is the last thing I'm going to do, right? I really don't need to add anything else, but because it's so easy to automate what I do, I see something like what I'm going to introduce you guys to tonight, if you haven't already seen it, that's really got me super pumped and super excited. It's really super simple. I think that because I'm going to be doing videos inside the members area, so you know, for any of you guys who feel stuck, remember you can reach out and you can give me a call, or you can text it or email me, and we'll talk about it. But it's very easy to get set up with this business. You're not going to have recurring payments. You're going to have training. I mean, when I talk about all kinds of great training inside the members area, guys, I mean, really, all the technique, all the tactics, all the strategies that you need to earn an extra $200 or $300 a day if you want, $500 a week if you want, or wherever you want to take your business, guys. I always say it's totally up to you, but you're going to find it here in this opportunity. And what I'm really liking about this particular opportunity is the fact that you guys hear me talking about automating the entire process. So with a lot of businesses that I've talked to you guys about in the past, you know, you have to have an autoresponder, right? You know, I mean, if you want to, you know, really be effective at email marketing. So the difference is you had to go outside some of the opportunities I had before and get an autoresponder outside of the business. But with this particular opportunity, guys, you're going to actually have your own autoresponder. You're going to have your own capture pages built out. It's going to actually do all your work for you. Now, you can still add a third-party autoresponder, but it's already built in. I mean, I've been watching the system, so I'm just testing some things out. I'm watching it. I'm looking at the automated messages that's been following up with me, because I'm testing the system out, and it's pretty set, guys. It's set in stone again, and you can get started for as little as $35. So that's what's got me excited. So I'm going to invite you guys to visit. I'm going to leave the link for this particular site in the YouTube video description area. I want you guys to run over there. We're going to run you over to a video. You're going to get to check it out. You got any questions, I'll have all my contact information inside. And let me know what you think. And whatever it is, guys, even if it's not this, right? Get in this place, right? This fall, this autumn, right? It's here, right? The busy season is upon us. Get in this place where you're ready, willing, capable, and able to learn some things you never knew, right? To take your life to an all new limit, guys, just in terms of challenging yourself and being the absolute best you can be, a person that's constantly evolving, you know what I mean? Because that's what this is all about, right? It's about living your life without limits. So you guys notice I'm very calm tonight. No Mountain Dew, no coffee, just lemonade. I'm just feeling super pumped up, super excited. I'm feeling very, very blessed. And I just want to reach out and thank everybody who subscribed to me over the past few weeks, years, and months, looking to grow my subscriber list. So I'm asking you guys, if you on my channel, subscribe. And let's have some fun and make some money, okay? So anyway, guys, if you're looking for a great opportunity, you know, you're gonna have an opportunity to watch this presentation in its entirety. You'll find a link in the YouTube video description there. I'm excited. I'm just pumped, man. So go on, visit the link, guys. And I love this website. And I'll see you guys on the inside, okay? As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the inside.